that. As you can see, lettering from Thailand, family. Thailand, Song Tao Kun, Red Texas, one of the best breeder in the universe when it comes to Super Red Texas. We salute you, brother. I don't even open the plastic, but I'm pretty excited, man. My heart cannot stop to beat, you know. It's beating, right? So what I'm gonna do, we're gonna take out this thing. Make it a little bit acclimation. Acclimation.
Yeah.
So, it's not working. Yung ano natin. Whoa. Oh. Look at that, man. Pool. You can see over here the beauty of Song Tao Kun, Red Texas. Oh, Song Tao Kun. Oh, wow. Sticker is there. To save the sticker. Oh, so put inside. Alright. So he put inside the sticker, so no problem. If you not put upside down, the sticker is inside the plastic. So I remember he told me about that. To sneak around it. The sticker inside the plastic. Okay. Wow. So nice, man. Look at that. But guys, this is not only my first time to ship a Red Texas. Actually, I concentrate in the hybrid, which is the Red Texas. Before pandemic, I start to collect some Red Texas, starting from Gold Red Ruby, City Chalk, Corn. We have Battlefish. I collect from